Episode 10, Throw Out Convention. Welcome to See and Free for Job Seekers, Episode 10, Throw Out Convention. Don't apply for jobs. That's not something you'd expect to hear in a job seekers workshop, but hopefully you've learned that there are better ways to take this next step on your career journey. So instead of applying for jobs, make connections with people who have the job you want. Instead of worrying about your resume, find unique ways to convey your narrative. A resume is not the panacea to getting a job. Interview like you already have the best job ever. When you interview, you want to be confident, so reflect on the best moments of your career and proudly represent the experience and wins you've gained. Be real. Show up in the world as your authentic self versus what you think others want to see. A headshot with you wearing an uncomfortable suit jacket on your LinkedIn profile? Well, it will look like you are miserable in an uncomfortable suit on your LinkedIn profile. If a watered down, bulleted list of jargon doesn't represent your conversational style, then don't put it out in the world. This is your time to think about the environment and job that you want and how you want to show up when you're in the role. If you don't want to fake it on the job, then don't fake it on the job hunt. Click here in the description to access our tool for how to throw out convention or scan the QR code.